Hard nylon edge for scraping baked on food and tough messes. Soft silicone edge is safe for cleaning nonstick cookware. Silicone edge is heat-resistant to 400° F. Hanging hole for convenient storage. Stain-resistant. Hard nylon edge for scraping baked on food and tough messes. This 2-in-1 scraper fits nicely in your hand, functions as a versatile dish cleaning tool. Use the hard edge for scraping off baked on messes. Use the soft edge for wiping away residue and cleaning nonstick surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Light, convenient, robust. I was doubtful of this product at beginning, but it really impressed me when we have some greasy dinnerware or cookingware to clean up. Instead using lot of soap to rinse the grease off, I can directly use this cute tool to scrape majority of it off, then do a simple normal soap wash. Super convenient and neat. Definitely lifesaver. You would not use this for very light cookware or dishes, but give it a try if you have greasy stuff.